It is Friday. Yeah. We still working from home. Nope. Again, I ain't got nothing to say. Buford is...
The walls are whiter in our new apartment.
The walls are white and clean. Carpet's clean. The dogs ain't effing ish up. Oh! This is the loudest eating dog. Maybe it's just loud because I'm paying attention and it's right behind me. Anyway, so today is launch day of the website. Yeah! Dang it, it's not by me. I'm taking a break from work, you know, corporate work. Because I'm super excited. Although, like, I posted the website, or the website is now live, I am not taking orders yet because I want y'all to see what's there. And then, between now and next Friday, I will, what the crap? Between now and next Friday, I will officially open the store. If y'all can see what I can see right now with these dogs and my brother. Anyway, so yes, that is what's exciting on this beautiful May 1st. I'm freaking happy. I'm freaking excited. I am proud of myself because it's finally out there. I said I was going to do this like 2 years ago. I did a soft launch 2 years ago and then I never continued it. So just the fact that I decided that 2020 I would finally get this ish rolling. So we have a lot of different things that we're going to be doing to roll out all the different shades for this collection. I am going to do it in collections. So yeah, y'all. So I ain't got no table yet. So they just think this whole area is a play area. Apparently. Ew. Thanks, Loki. Thank you very much. So I am working from home. I've been working from home, working remotely for a month or 2 months. A month and a half? I don't know. A month and a half. And we still don't plan to open probably for another month. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, I still went and got my coffee today. I will say Starbucks is, sorry Starbucks, I love y'all. Like, I have all my rewards and everything and I'm building them up because I want, like, I want y'all to say if you have this many rewards, you get this, you get that. Not the regular, I want like something special. Anyways, so I went to Starbucks this morning. Went to one. Yes, I went to multiple today. I went to one and it was closed. And it was the one that's around the corner. It said drive-through closed, which the drive-through has been open since this whole pandemic. So then it says go inside. So I go around, I'm like, oh Lord, I don't want to go inside. So I get out, and I have Loki with me. I get out, they not open. I don't have any cured K-cups at home. So that's why I went to go get Starbucks today. I was like, oh, okay, I could just run before I have to clock in and start talking to people. Yeah, so then I went to another one that's like 5 minutes away from my usual one. That joker closed too. Still can't go to the store, so you know they got the elderlies that get to go at a certain time, and then we get to go in. So I can't go get coffee from Starbucks. I can't go get K-Cups from Kroger or Publix. So I go. So I call Starbucks by my job. Because, again, I don't live that far from my job. Call, and they say, yep, we're open from such time, such time. I say, thank you, Jesus. But the simple fact that I had to drive and go to 3 different Starbucks to get, so I got me a venti. Because who knows So now I gotta go today to the grocery store, which I don't want to, because I feel like I keep going to the grocery store because it's the only place I get to go. And yes, I'm on 10 today. Let me tell y'all about this Joker. He's supposed to be... Go ahead, start. Go ahead.
I mean, I don't really cook on traditional means. I just kind of like...
You just going with it.
I just go with it, so...
He's supposed to be teaching me how to make this dish because he does a bomb-ass job. So I wanted to learn because, you know, I gotta know how to cook for my future husband. Whoever they may be. That may be. I said they. Anyways. So, I was like, yeah, teach me blah, blah, blah. So I'm getting ready to go to the store and to get a few more things. And this mofo come in here and start cooking.
I'm not
okay.
preparing the glaze for the salmon.
Okay, he starts preparing. Now, even preparing is part of teaching a joker like me how to cook. Correct? Correct. I know I'm right. I know I'm right. I know I'm right. I know I am. Anyways, so, yeah. Hopefully, I'll know how to make that part when I learn how to cook this whole situation.
You will.
I am a visual learner. You have to show me how to do it. Just because it's going to be written down, which it probably ain't because he don't write nothing down, doesn't mean that I'm going to get it.
It's true, I don't write nothing down.
I don't know why I'm so hyper today. I don't know, it's Friday. I'm happy. Happy.
There's something about this chicken I want to do, though.
I thought you were going to say something about chicken making me happy. Anyway, so I'm about to go to the store. Today, I'm going to learn how to make this. What kind of salmon is it?
Shit, I don't even know what to call it.
Are you doing pineapple?
Yeah, it's on. Oh, I need pineapple.
It's in there.
Okay. Because I want to actually crush it up and mix it in.
We have pineapple. I just put a fresh thing in there. Yeah. So, yeah, the video is basically me learning how to make this dish because I don't know how to make it, and I want to know how to make it because it's good as crap. 1, 2. I need to really start learning how to cook for real. Quarantine has taught me that I don't know how to cook. I mean, I know how to cook, but I don't know how to cook, and I want to know how to cook. Make a man say. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. I only need one pineapple, though.
Okay, we'll put it in a Tupperware thingy. So aggressive. So, that is what we're going to be doing today. As soon as I get back from the store, you know, I got to go out in these streets to get some more stuff. We need a new pot because our stove is very sensitive and picky about what we put on it. Like, it turns on and off if the pan is not the right kind of pan for it. I ain't never had a stove like that. We're fancy now. Okay. That was lame.
We are fancy now.
Oh shit, somebody calling me. Gotta go. We're back. He's back. What?
His secret sauce?
No, that part is done, so.
He finna tell you what he put in it.
No, he can tell me that off later. Well, I can,
Yeah, I can do
you
it.
go ahead. You can go. I can edit, whatever.
Oh, I was going to go ahead and clean off these salmons so I can go ahead and introduce the glaze.
And he's already washed his hands.
And I already washed my hands.
Just so the world will know.
I'm just going to go ahead and smother it on there.
It smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Did you turn the oven on? Are you putting it in the oven or
I'm
are
put it
you?
on the stove. First I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag to have it sit in there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you didn't season it or anything. You just do that.
Mm-hmm.
Get a bigger board. Both our faces. I can't put my mommy on here, so. but I did the same. I was like, see, you like made it all pretty on there, and then you just put it in there.
Just go ahead and put some on it, but I'm just gonna put a little bit extra in there. Shake up, then like.
Don't get my book messed up.
Don't get your book messed up.
Y'all see my lipsticks over there? I gotta find somewhere else to put it.
It's grapefruit.
Yeah, that. Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna leave this in the fridge. I'm gonna let it marinate for about an hour.
We should have a cook show, y'all. The way he talks to the. I'm gonna leave it in there for about an hour. I'm so annoying, I know. Are you gonna use the skillet or are you going to put it in the oven?
I am going to skillet.
Okay.
It is going to be.
So I bought a new skillet. Alright, let me put that away first. I bought. It's non-stick, but like I said, oh, it's in the dishwasher. Like I said, it's temporary. And the beauty doggy dog. Say hi. I don't know what that is right there. Go away. Okay, so we're gonna be about an hour, and I'm gonna go back to cleaning my room. Or attempting to put this picture up. You know, I already run it. What you trying to say? What you trying to say? Because you was already talking mess about me and Dominique.
I'm not trying to say anything.
She basically said that she has the clumsiest daughters in the world.
I didn't say that.
She basically said that. Because my sister's on crutches. And apparently... Hey, you did. You might as well have said it. She said that we were the clumsiest daughters. Where did she get these clumsy daughters from is what she said. Anyways, so I'm going to attempt to put these paintings up, or pictures up, I should say. But, or maybe, I know what I'm going to do, y'all. Yeah! I ain't putting them on this thing. I'm going to put some nails up and hang them up that way because, me trying to be all extra professional and put these on the hooks of it is not going to work. I'm going to get mad and I might put a hole in the wall. So, yeah. So we're going to put that girl up here. And I'm going to tidy up my room because it looks a mess, but whatever.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
Oh, okay. I'm like, it's too high. Okay, so now I have my paintings up. As long as we don't have earthquake, we good.
Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I won't stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
He's back, y'all. It took forever and a day to come back. I feel like it's been more than an hour.
You do not have to talk like
like, why? It's
You just put a camera in my face. I don't know what to do.
just talk. You're teaching. You're talking with me.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, just put it on 6.
Leave him alone. Let him do his thing.
I didn't say anything.
Okay.
I was just looking to see what he did.
He just put the chicken in there.
Oh, okay. I don't eat chicken.
Yeah, that's why we're making both of them.
You're making?
It was my idea. Or one of these.
The regular one.
Oh, I don't think we have those. Go ahead. I gotta use that and use the
Just use that.
yeah. Use 2 if you need to. I don't know. Maybe not. Chef Chris Boyardee. So he has the chicken going. Look at how that smoke came out of there. He has 2 fillets of the salmon going on here. The pineapple glaze, kind of, sort of. And we got the rice going, and we're gonna have some veggies, little kind of sort of hibachi looking type of thing. And we got a thing of wine in here, so let me show y'all that. Got a thing of wine, so when it's time to start eating this. Well, hope y'all enjoyed this video of me being just plain old random. I learned how to cook kind of sort of today. I think these pictures, is that upside down? No, I think these pictures are put up properly. As long as we don't have an earthquake, then it should be fine. But I wasn't finna sit here and try to get hooks and wait on that. I just wanted something on these walls because they're just so white. So I need one more. I could probably put something on that other wall. Maybe not. I probably don't need to touch it. But one more something, and then I just need to mount the TV, and this room will literally come together. Okay, now I'm ranting again, so I'm gonna stop. Hope y'all like this video. I hope everybody is staying safe while we are in quarantine and supposed to be staying home as much as we can. Be healthy, stay active. Just be smart about what's going on. We should have been being smart in the first place. All this could have been prevented. In my opinion, I am not politics. I am not a scientist. I am not a doctor. I am not a nurse. But at the same rate, I know that we gotta do better on taking care of ourselves. So, hope everyone stays safe. Hope everyone stays healthy. Hope everyone stays in. And just stay prayed up, stay blessed, y'all. Okay. Why am I so corny? Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.